This is Oppo Reno 5Z smartphone, and today we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browsing app on this device. So first of all, launch the settings. Next, enter the apps, or should I particularly say app management category. Next, go for the default app section, choose browser app, and in here simply select Opera, therefore setting it as your default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself. So let's go ahead and launch the Opera. Now you need to tap on your avatar at the bottom right corner, then go for the settings. Find the default browser section and click on it. Tap on next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.